Oh, no!
What happened, DeeTee?
Seems like the battery is down. We need to stop. Alrighty, kids, get ready.
For what?
What?
Oh, for a tour inside the battery. How many battery boys do you kids see?
1, 2, 5, 11, 12. It's confusing. There's too many to count.
All right, then let's do it faster using multiplication. Quick, how many battery battalions do we have?
1, 2, 3. 3 battalions.
And how many battery boys are there in each?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 of them in each battalion.
That means we have 3 groups of 12 each, which is 12 taken 3 times. So let's do 12 times 3. This is a 2-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number. We have to place the 1-digit number exactly below the 1's digit of the 2-digit number. The multiplication sign goes here. Then we draw a line across, like this. Now, for the first step, we multiply the 1's digit downstairs with the 1's digit of the 2-digit number upstairs. That is 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Let's write that down right below the 1's place. For the second step, we multiply the 1's digit on the bottom with the 10's digit number at the top. That is 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Let's write that down right below the 10's place. We get 36. That's it. That's our answer, 36.
So there are a total of 36 battery boys?
We have 12 battery boys in the first battalion, 12 in the second, and another 12 in the third. That means there are a total of 12 plus 12 plus 12 battery boys. Adding them up, we get 36. Oh, okay. You were right. There are 36 battery boys.
Okay, that's interesting. Jax got the same answer just by adding repeatedly.
Well, that's right, Jane. Because multiplication is the same as repeated addition. Adding the same number again and again simply means we are multiplying. Hence, both ways give us the same answer as 36. 36 battery boys, and they still can't keep my battery working. You had one job, battery boys. Why is my battery down? We were on our way to an important place.
You're always on your way to someplace important. Do you realize how much load all of your crazy adventures are putting on us? Do you ever think about that, huh?
Whoa, okay, calm down. Sorry, I guess you're right. Tell me what you need to begin working again.
On behalf of all of my brothers, I demand 2 extra battery battalions to help us with the load.
Oh, all right. Not a problem. Oh. Stop staring at me and help me here, will you? Tell me, how many battery boys do we have? And now?
5 battery battalions of 12 battery boys each. which is 12 5 times. We have to do 5 times 12.
Let's place the 5 exactly below 2. The multiplication sign goes here. Then we draw a line across. Great.
Step 1. We multiply 2 and 5.
2 times 5 gives us 10. Let's put that 0 right here, under the ones place.
But 10 is a 2-digit number. 2 digits can't go under the ones place. What do we do now, DeeTee?
This is when we do something called a carryover. When we get a 2-digit number, like we got 10 here, we put the ones digit right below the ones place and then carry the tens digit over to the tens place. Like this. Now, go on. You can do it.
The next step, we multiply 5 with 1, which is 5 itself.
Ding, ding. 5 times 1 is 5. And to do this, we add the carryover 1 that we just got.
5 plus 1.
That's it. 5 plus 1 equals 6. We place the number in the tens place.
And we get 60. Whoa, so that's 60 battery boys.
Ding, ding. They should keep our battery running smoothly now.
Just because you brought us a little extra help, don't expect us to handle your wild phase now. It's not like the old days anymore, you know.
Uh-huh. How about... Now, do you think these guys are enough to handle my wild phase? Come on, let's see what these guys can do.
Whoa, no